So getting your operators trained properly isn't just about ticking a box. It's about safety, accuracy, and doing the job right every time. So in this video, I'll share 5 ways to make your operator training actually work on your shop floor without relying on someone hovering over every task. So use these tips to reduce rework, boost confidence, and keep your quality high from day one. So first off, standardize your operator training. Don't assume shadowing equals training. You need documented processes that show what to do, when to check, and when, what done right looks like. And if it's not written or visual and it won't be consistent, that's where errors start. Number 2 is to use digital work instructions because paper gets lost, damaged, or ignored. With digital work instructions, our operators can see photos, diagrams, we get real-time alerts, and checklists and prompts. And this works because it's faster to learn and easier to follow, especially for new starters. Number 3, build up a skills matrix because not everyone is trained for every task, and that's fine, but a skills matrix helps you keep track of who's qualified and where the gaps are, and then who needs refresher training. This is essential for planning, upskilling, and avoiding guesswork. And before is to track training automatically because if you're using whiteboards and spreadsheets, things will slip. Instead, use software that tells you who's approved, who needs an update, and who can access each task. Well, tools like Taskers operators can't even start a job unless they've been trained and approved. And number 5 is to make training a daily habit because training isn't a one-off. Embed it in the day-to-day by making sure the instructions are always at hand and the quick refreshers are easy to access and the questions and feedback are encouraged. That way, people learn continuously, not just when something goes wrong.